Hey guys, and welcome back. Today in this video we are going to be going through TedsWoodworking. Now this platform is for those who want to simply start their own projects related to wood, carpentry, furniture, and anything that has to basically do something with wood, of course. Now you can get a heads up and a big benefit and reward using the link in the description below to access woodworking. Now, the link is in the description of this video, could be found really easily. Now, talking about the platform, it really offers you the best by TED, and you can see the platform have different kind of details related to projects going on, and you can simply get their plans as well. So, woodworking should be frustrating. This is the motto that is basically this platform following. You can head over to the platform, and yeah, so if you want to be productive and build something for yourself, this platform should be the go-to. So head over to the link in the description below to access the platform, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys around in the next video.